Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is going to be Clinique Clarifying Lotion. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about skincare, please don't forget to click the subscribe and notification bell so you don't miss any beauty video. This is the face lotion. I have my phone and I'm going to read you guys the claims about this Clinique facial lotion. It claims it's a dermatologist-developed liquid exfoliating lotion that clears the way for smoother, brighter looking skin. It is suitable for combination in oily skin. The ingredients it has salicylic acid, which helps exfoliate the surface of the skin and enhance cell turnover. And it targets pores and oiliness on the skin, and is gluten free. It retails for $22 and it's available at Sephora. This is the facial lotion. Now I'm going to open it. So as you open it, it looks like this. So what I'm going to do, I am going to take a cotton round pad and I'm going to pour some right on top. Okay, so I just pour some of this onto my cotton round. Honest opinions about this Clinique clarifying face lotion. The first thing I like about, I love how it like deep cleanses my skin. My skin looks clear and deep cleanse. I just really like it. First time using it and I honestly like it so much. Also love the fact that it feels very gentle going to the skin and my skin doesn't feel dry. For first impression, this Clinique clarifying lotion is gentle on your skin and also both at the same time it exfoliates your skin, leaving your skin brighter and clear. I just really like it. It is amazing that I'm thinking about repurchasing it again. I just love how it left my skin feel, that my skin doesn't feel dry whatsoever. And remember, it is for combination skin and oily skin, which is perfect. So remember, it retails for $22 and it's available at Sephora. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this review of this Clinique facial lotion. If you like this review, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe right here, and I'll see you in my next video.